Hello and welcome to the daily dose of routine proceedings. Today we are going to know about intangible cultural heritage of India. There are two types of heritage: tangible cultural heritage and intangible cultural heritage. The first one, the tangible cultural heritage, refers to physical artifacts produced, maintained, and transmitted intergenerationally in society. Second is intangible heritage. Heritage doesn't end at monuments or collection of objects of arts. It also includes traditions or living expressions inherited from our ancestors and passed on to our descendants, such as oral traditions, performing arts, religious and cultural festivals, and traditional craft. Intangible cultural heritage, by its very nature, is fragile and needs protection and understanding, since it is an important factor in maintaining cultural diversity in the face of growing globalization. ICH, that is, intangible cultural heritage, can be defined as in four factors. First one is traditional, contemporary, and living at the same time, since it is a dynamic process. Second is inclusive, since it contributes to social cohesion, encourage a sense of identity, and helps to preserve community and community life. Third is representative, since it prospers on oral skills passed on from generation to generation. Fourth is community based, since it can be identified as heritage only when it is recognized as such by the communities, groups, or individuals that create, maintain, and transmit it. Intangible cultural heritage, therefore, is important not as cultural manifestation as such, but rather on the wealth of knowledge and skill that are transmitted through it from one generation to another. Intangible cultural heritage of India, recognized by UN, are these 13. First is the tradition of Vedic chanting. Second, Raman, religious festival and ritual theatre of Garhwal Himalayas, India. Mudiyattu is a ritual theatre and dance drama of Kerala. And we have got traditional brass and copper craft of utensil making. Fifth one, Navruz. Navruz is a name of Iranian New Year observed by Parsis in India. Fifth is Sankirtan, ritual singing, drumming, and dancing of Nepal. And we have also got Buddhist chanting of Ladakh. Then we have our precious intangible cultural heritage, that is yoga. So internationally, it is celebrated in 21st of June. And we have got Ram Leela, the traditional performance of the Ramayana. Then we have got Kutiyattam Sanskrit theatre from Kerala. And Kalbelia, folk songs and dances of Rajasthan. Then we have got Chhau dance. And the last but not the least, the 13th one, it is Kumbh Mela. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video and tune in for more important info. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like this video.